Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibinta Jingrakhe ka World Rabies Week, ka District Joint Steering Committee for Rabies Elimination, Hagjitri lang bat ka dorbar shnong upper Lumparing, Lower Lumparing, bat kenjat football, kala rakhe ka World Rabies Day arja afusan, ha Lumparing Sports Indoor Hall. Yakni Jingrakhe lawan Shibinta do Myntri Katnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, uba san war shulai kumukongsan. Habakran hakaning program u Dr. Lambert Simli ubadai u Senior Medical and Health Officer in Charge Kalaban Dispensary ulakran halor kapang Human Rabies and Prevention Measure lani ka jingpang rabies hakibriu bat kilat jingda katba u Dr. Friedi Nodhar nakatanan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ulabatay shapang ka jingpang rabies hakimrat bat kumnu bante alakam yakita. Habakran hakaning program uba ashulay ulabanjur halor ka jingma ka jingpang rabies nang ta kumno banyada ban sumar ulo kenturu ikinong shnong kibari ikimrat bakin ai Tika ikimrat jongki bat shimiki sinjam banyada bat pintikna baki para marjan marpa ni kibriyo kinlait na kajingpang rabies.
Ini apa sempat?
Ilapai je Bi.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Short but very important awareness of World Rabies Week 2025. All concerned departments who are going to talk to us today, take care of animals, being responsible pet owners, communities in this. So without further ado, I will program to rabies elimination to deliver the welcome address.
Pledge kelompok ini asyik semai mo. Nananya boleh siap penbuat pembicara. I will read it close by close, then we repeat together at the same time. Today, on World Rabies Day 2025, I pledge to join hands with others in the fight against rabies. I commit to work together to make a big difference. I pledge to care for my pets with kindness and respect. I'll be responsible pet owner by providing proper food, health and care, and ensuring my pets receive the rabies vaccine every year to keep them and others safe. I will take responsibility to support the care and vaccination of stray dogs against rabies. In case of a dog bite, I pledge to immediately wash the wound, seek medical help, and take the anti-rabies vaccine, provided free of cost by the government. I pledge to learn more about rabies and share this knowledge with my family, friends, and community. Together, you, me, and our community, we act now so that our beloved state and country become rabies-free by 2030.
Apabila snow na health department ba kila batay sa mga Ibreo ti nakaliang ka jonga kan batay pi sepang jong ka department ka jong ila ni kumno pinne haba kisada kiso ti nakaliang ka jong ini don kini leaflet kini leaflet kay kani ko batay sepang jong ki Rabies tadi English bat ka pare ti hadian jong kani laban share kini ki leaflet nakaliang ka jong i kebangi laban kre bat sa puli ki bat sa bat ai tip lang sa kiway pat ki nadu kino hikay ki mayo ay kanya sa kiway pat ki school lani ki paramajan jong ki kayeng kasam ka jong ki babusno tu sa phang jong kani ka Rabies kelima jong kani ka district action joint steering committee on rabies elimination hagani idon lang iba klido jong kani di DC nang tadi gidon nakaliang jong ka health iba organize ini ka programa tagasgi nakaliang jong veterinary department ka municipal but ka team jong kani ka SNM ka World Rabies 2025 team kade janbaro ka try ka poster filayat ho kade act now you me and the community kumot you ikna school kinong hikay kilong kumi kilong pa kisamla mangi ki department ki bapero ke bat ka community takadaw idon lang bat kisnong kithaw banitre lang manira dingkhong yang ni ka jingpang ka balong 6% palaban ya diha ka Rabies nakaliang jong ka veterinary kumot ka Rabies pini kikso matray paro fi rikso din namday na mano berikso to surakti fi rikso fi ina mi rikso to fi juai vaccine na di the way kebelang doktor menen akamat prevention is better than cure. Di ke kebabila bende kelomba pilhap kat ai ya ke vaksin ya ki popis ke jofi ladi ki pets ke jofi. But nakaliang jom ka department ke jomi ki ai free undan ka mansiu ya ka rabies vaccine. Apa piwan sigi hospital ladi ki dispensary ke bajan ki ai free ya ka rabies vaccine. Di kumno pinito bau so jong pi udon Rabies idan hajat kejipang Rabies lani arti kita kijat jing itu babila ban tip kawai kadi ka down form bat ka baar kadi ka furious form ka down form bat kadi ka ka bau so pini ulong usong bai si jaka lani wiar usong bai bat kata kalaban penma ya kibari utau jai so kemudian lada layu Rabies kemudian kau bat sama mi habadum bat kim kwa bat mi nak tu jaga bat ka baar bat kade ka furious form kemudian so dom riang namar balai ba kini kinga juku bijui ba kimi ki umbia ni nam na di ik so ki dom riang kimi ki umbia katu ka pani ba kini kinga
okay baru kita akan sebagai dot if it akan ya cleanliness of the society dong kisong ni si pinya ka you cleaning drive and then we have a slong dong hisa idan equipment hangte hapo mandir something kadang ka equipment bagi sponsor every year I mean every month we sponsor her need things like from grocery namar ba kundan pape di ipur pila I don't know idakin ni namar ba nantang di dakhan di Bengali, she's staying all alone. We support kung kinikibriyo, we support ikinikibriyo ni ay kijan, you know, like she orphanage, ikiiro nila ito katama. All together, I do nila katama ka ba, baret tamarong yung gimdon mo, banli ka ba he, because ni voluntary, ni say naladi ka pang nila okay. So, okay, tamatang siya ba tayo fikindiyat about the responsibility of the pet owners. What are the responsibilities? First, have a patient ya kanu continue ni ikso ni inyaw ni kaptap ikso. First, ni kong idon kap ke haban ay good food. Hindi na ke kabang ibang magigibriyo fit ay katu ikso. Kaptap ipopis. Mo namar bang ikso laga pi ay katu ko jimbang kabang ibang magi kiha pisnu kiha instead namar balik ke use magi ibang lo. You know, it's okay lah. Once in a month, once in 2 months, I can get it dry, I can get give a long tasty kupang ibang money, doesn't matter. But mostly we prefer iki puppies either boiled food. Then a water nam ta chuki ka Hindi ka ba fit shubu hak to habol and then eat not for entire week ni arlai sweet no. Kung mangile ko jalo di ikipet sila jong ni haban ri kumta. And then second thing we haban non kapan I proper shelter iki. Mostly ke ka bangi iki bile ko no la is ko ni click so ke lawan ra siya labu hai box. Sunduk kartun isi warna hati hak tu lah biang. So dah lahir mak ya mak you kat bawah. No, kumbangi ni brand ni don't come ke yen, don't come ke Jakarta. Same thing. So don't come ke kata. Tinggi hak betul kan hak official ni kecil jengno ban adopt. Ladan ni adopt ikut brave, ni ribha ya. Why not animals? Just because they don't have. But keren. Tamlong yang kota, just because they are voiceless, imla aban nomba. Kat ba ay min haabon ben? No, ihaban nong responsible nang ni ken. And then most important thing, vaccine your dog. Please vaccine your dog. Very important. Balik ko ang vaccine na maflated about rabies. Rabies kami nang mentamo kalade na do manchwa. So we don't come on vaccine iki bakinlat ni simpak ni kami ka rabies. Kipun haki sa simpak. Kaparbo kabalong quite dangerous. Kenain discard ko kabalong dangerous. Tinggi happens to kung mangilong we take care yala day for our own health, we go for the medical checkup for ourselves. So obviously we need the same thing for our own pets. Vaccinity and then registration. If a light registration, it's a credit Andrew from municipal. Ngan short Indian about registration bale. Number mostly ke bangi ki break so. Daw la hai la balat bet surok saskin. Dalaja itu akibat kini shutdown kini post mata social media ke post loss my dog has lost. So ladan niyo mani NGO kalau very difficult for us bangin find the owners and mostly when he karai bro use social media ki khamja kha ki ai so you breed dogs. Why they never registered. Latin them like post or so they don't prefer local because local easy door, I don't know, maybe in them. So they prefer breed dogs, but the ulaja that we don't pour shame don't pour no. I'll just tell you one incident. You don't really bag the mine. They are very wealthy people, they have 5 huskies. No vaccination, no registration, nothing. They just keep the 5 husky just for the show. To be honest, just for the show. Upang ngakan mau we banganang don we Dr. Sanju Hapo hospital one ra layo panho so. And then after that, uyap no baki. Namar bali kambiang ke treatment namar papato virus pimla ba no masuk injection lakut. Solution dawai guli air. Fit happen ko mi Dr. Freddy from the veterinary lab. Kalau ini long happen pendep ita ki antibiotics for 5 days, 3 days, ka shock depend. So ita iba ikrem one eye. And then ngayon haka status kapa ito ba veterinary department tapos long time but the NGOs they are not of any help. But so jonga uyap because of the veterinary. I'm sorry, I had to go and I had a big fight with that person. Mga ngatong kamar nga ngai veterinary tray kumno. I've been working with them ngalai di ngatong no. Namang ngau halal lada pi ala di firma banlong responsible. Kumno fan should blame iki way. Right? Mentah pi di ben nalani pi di belong responsible.
Iki Mrad. When animal. Di kunta nagalian di jong iru di berpadi pi bai so di jong pi dan kam hi man take care kemudian mungkin vaksin iki namun teman lam keno bono kejima bagi sang so sini serum sini syada yang bersiang syada yang suri bono jikula ini cloud jadi ke jing syada jingki kelawan ra ya kene ka jingma kene yang kai snong taw mo nagaliang jong snong ru atrai mamang kopor ke jing pra hi sabi pagdei ban ai vaksin yang so belum tha di deputy commissioner jong ka East Coast Hills kumjuru ban register namanya laju ai haki papers laju pentip hakilang lat patai kubur pidai ban register beli gidan kam ban register so ila patai kong musmat kam dapan su nomor 4 aya ciprang mà vì là bạn identify những số cái giống thì ha cái vì là register là bạn nghĩ là alert if you number hadir vì là vaccine is ai yang hiu color nek mo number is ai kita sipi kalau vì là bạn tip bạn kawai ka lang lu la bạn yo yung numbers jong so kat mo likidan kumulong ka semua mo sa hoteli dari tang na po jong kini ka lu paring lu idan hanu ma absent di kita gi so sang surok absent li tan na lu paring lu ti garong ki jima ni ya senong pathau na kata kadao di tiket di lagi jong gi so lagi jong jingri di mo di natip kita kata di tiket di ko priuru teng yen teng ko office ni kibun magi beri kepada yang lain balik kita dibuat sertifikat. Lawan le kepada telah arba, telah dan kamu melihat paspor, dan kamu melihat kita kipik, dan kamu melihat di X wan merek. Jing wan merek ini kalau kejik kesan, marbeli nam up di penai punya. Tiap melihat syukur, tiap melihat affidavit, kata kesumpor, mo. Ti kata kadi kejik long necklace ni mo di himsum kitya le jom. Kisah jauh di ke berfaham apa yang pun di bom kitya. Tikum juru ini Mrad dan kamu kitya. Kitya kamu ai ke vaksin, kamu register. Kalau hadir hubur pada raja ke kamu seniu. Kita ini beri kilaban sim kabu. Nong yang diuk so yang di kamu register. Kalau ada yang apa isu kecil sama, apa isu kecil bom sultan.
I'd like to give my heartiest congratulations to our honorable chief guest of today's program, our honorable MLA, Shri Sanbol Shulai, for being inducted in the Council of Ministers. Sir, we would like to congratulate you very much. Let's give a big hand. It affects the brain and nervous system of humans and animals, right? One symptoms appear, it can be fatal, but like what we have heard, it can be preventable with our timely action. Now in our localities, when we go out for morning walks, you have seen so many street dogs, right? Now, earlier we can go carelessly, but now we find so many street dogs without holding a stick, or in some localities especially, we are so scared of just coming out even. Why? Because the dog owners like to release the dogs early morning for the nature calls from their compounds. And some dogs are really so deadly that just by the look also you feel like you are going to be bitten. These dogs, like what Kong has said from our NGO, UPAN, whether they are vaccinated or not, I don't know. And we, in precaution of those dogs, we tend to stay away from them. But today, as we are celebrating this anti-rabies day, we have been given awareness. There are many things, simple things that we do not know, that when a dog bites, we need to wash the wound for 15 minutes, right? We just simply wash it and leave it like that. But after attending this program, we come to know that we need to wash the wound for 15 minutes. After that, we should not apply any kind of ointment or any kind of irritant, or not even do the dressing. We have heard all that. Much of it has been said, and we have heard so many things. I hope, children, you have all heard it all, and everyone listening. Let us remember that rabies is not just a medical problem. It is a community problem. Just as we are eager to prevent drug menace in the society, so also rabies, we should take it side by side, so that there will not be any more like what doctors have said, there have been how many around 15 deaths this year. So we do not want to see another death just because of rabies, and that too because of our own carelessness. I'd like to tell you a story that had happened to my family years back. We like to keep dogs, 8 numbers, sometimes 10 numbers. Right now I have 4 dogs. Last year I was having 8, but since I was away, my dogs are in some other place, and it had all died because of not giving them proper care. We felt very bad about it, but then there was nothing that we could have done because we were away. Our caretaker had maybe not taken proper care. That should not have happened. But what happened? From amongst those dogs, one of those dogs bit our neighbor. Years back, not recently, but years back. And then our neighbor came and bombarded us saying that, why did you release the dogs? Yes, it was our fault. And then some of our family members were trying to take the side of the dog because we were the owner, and saying that, no, my dog will not do such a thing, will never bite you because our dog is very friendly. But my grandma said, you should never take guarantee for your dog, for your domestic animals, because no matter how friendly and how sweet and how loving you have been with the dog, with the animal, due to overprotectiveness or due to some reasons, the dog may be wild towards the other person. So,
Officer, I remember when we were young, in Laban, so during those days, there is a rules within the Act of National Municipal Code that most families ki balik sawah ki kon tu sama kide banwan register municipal kan saya tiket nah kibom dek tiket pan kasih lo municipal code kahaya rekening ex serviceman kibla chok thai na police pai daga dabor par kuli basa wala kan di sepe ki siap betam di dulu coba satem sabran cemarkan dan rai kuma snap kau ini ki MP be jungi ka Sitati Monica Gandhi be Mrad pa bachi aku tu macam kini ki environment, how to preserve the environment, how to preserve the life of the animals. The fight habgai iya kena kaya apura pun ngeri dia begitu siap dia bom dan tiket di berat tapi kalau kita jelong beri juga tekala fight kan tu kan sedang saya kapi ayel apa sudah kuat but ada jam tu ke semput lah ba mak sudah siap dia pergi Mrad. Tapi kami kisah kita ada dengan order bah di concern state government, jom silong municipal, jom municipal authorities kira bersama dengan case kekali mau kejar berkem kisah. Ladap kem nang tu kita sarah municipal kita doktor kita sterilai mau kita injection kita kakun cuma tapi udah ni, tapi apa pelan dia. Kalau kita, tinggi dia begini kisah surok di Australia, nggak kemana, yang jangan turu, kini kita hapun bergelam armet, kemulung-mulung ini beri kita, bawa ni kita yang iway pun kita, dan lesi kita sih kaki twin, kita belum pelan, dan bakal lain pun, recent ini kata orang, bahasa seling ini membaik, semua hapun India bakal sangat, kasih jumpa bahasa sangat. Mereka kisah pragut, nengot kita so. Te kibom dan tribe tu aku yang jumpi dan ni hapun cakap kapalan, kibom dekat liu, senai yang dekat liu, cakap akbi mo taka dekat karak kawak ki jalan ki pelang di masa siang kakak belum tu de ka increase ini istri do kakak mo de habis pa don baru tu ki kumaro ki kong soto ki news ki baik so ni wisel pa ai ba mo ko istri tu kumi tadi buon kadot na ya pakangat makan yo man ai bu di buon de don baru ki beri ki ba buon ki beri ki gudan na jis ko feeling yang as kamarat itu rik beri ko kamarat yo ndai ko bakit hareng ko all living thing in this earth, be it human being, be it animal, be it fish, birds, insects. No, we are all being created by only one soul of God. Bara, na persatu kawai bersemulai nisa yaki isolong. Kini kita kumangi kipriu kita mungkin mereka, tidak pernah kita semua dia punya Arab kita tentu kita first person. Ya hidup dia orang tu mereka kesau sebelum mau bom. Kumalagi menong di drugs, tambah di drugs, bom penyiap itu. Ya Arab, sungguh yuki Mrad atau bom, ai ba mai ni tip sebab nasrul pun, tip sebab tenri, tip sebab kahal depan. Ya ron tip bagi nota kita wan berbaik kita bagi kem kita kini. Dia ni kipriu kita lagi pun mah di mana lagi di ila akhlak instrumen ila akhlak ila organize ini di tanpa electric transmission ground ladan arsenal tidon kipriu ye kimi atau kiape itu ibu penang besar kami ibu penang besar perlu doktor perlu besar perlu engineer perlu doktor dai la teman bagi isi pun kikis ka mga hapli bumbu mga komersi ho ngap pesan ki dokumen ban bounce ban ba ki ta ki ban dadu ki baklan yon pentek pengisian kita berani itu sista ki sista ki siapa petip yang ini saya leksional sudah bagi buat ini untuk ini pentek de kum kita ru bangun ki beriu kan yang kami kemari mempunyai pesan nanti ya sepuluh surah. Ya kata kita kecing yang mau kecing long apa bersih beri dia belum ini bukan bagi Mrad dia berisi. Nai dia bagi Mrad. Ngai bagi Mrad. Dia ikso ngai ini beri ikso beri miao beri Rabies dia tenang di sisi itu bukan sudah ngapan mengenai memikmat ini ngamlung mandiri kisowi nomor berapa dari kisow produk saya kenal dari kisow kiopsen berarti kisow wajib diwas nomor untuk kisow produk kinawan ini karena mengenai kisow kipulen kau menjumbu sekarang kiai yo kinomba diwas nomor kipulen di nomor dan dari kipulen kapan kamu bercakap dengan lektur sejentai tengah buka escort tengah bukan mengani apa ngapan kami ka escort kali escort tengah pun mengatrakan outside abang kali Jingrakhe dia mengajar jadil Hills dia sakit kata muslim laknai sin kalau menung nikmat jobi san mengisi sama membeli dia juga ayo saja dengan yang disyar itu ya free 24/7 tengah iman tanggung ni mesti kerang lek on behalf of the government, I condolence message but still nam tak diklat no jong yomin zoven gal apa sunapur badi YouTube ko bi udal life ikso katuka transparency glass coffin ya macam kata kalau dulu macam dong tray kira mai so ke pergi kadu mau Hima sahabat kadu macam ni deh lanjut dari kapur pendek punya oleh kira so pergi ba mengaku try lagi apa Te napipigil ngai usia Abdul Hatir usia beruspa apa? Sebab Dubai apa? Uri lagi kising. Kuduk kising lima pekian. Kuduk tu ya lah. Buat kemari? Kumuna World Boxing Champion Mike Tyson Uri lagi kelai kesan betul ni. Dia doa yang lagi itu nak mau lagi. Dan kembali di Paituan dan kembali di Seri nanti jom cing ye Mrad apa ututa ni sama ututa perlu ututa gini punya ye ko habang ye perlu para ye Mrad ko ye habang Mrad ko diri ye ya dai ga ye san ye ai ga cing ye ndai de to belum siap kapur ngasrai betul kam bangannya keren sibun anjing siap smile nanta pengenang don kijing kelat no kibai batoy ansa apa let dan tuan tur saja tel nantu pengenang dari hasil program National Library 14 baru itu students kibalayo ya kisiti kilasile kila pendot lang hanne kinoi kai principal vice principal jogi final school invite rambas intani layo sedang layo invitation Padlasai berkadui biji kandang kacing pun kukuram kumbang ya pun kukuram yang ada kasih ke World Rabies Day lasai pi kena samla puli pas division bak second division third division second third division kan ini juki BPL student kita adu kupa adu kumi kita mengintip pas second third division tu ngin ay awal lasai Kebal Arsenal kelayat 22 year kendiat sahabat berikut balik ke organisasi juga kini kibawan negara yang begitu respect wan negara yang beruspa ngalor bagi layu ikai school karena sebagai extra tuition kibagino ikai south samut kena naik gila school kali diwan school kali pas macam okey kiro kini siap hendrai hakan konsumsi jumlah 65% kat muka statistik pengalaman berkitar pada semua 65% kita ini bentuk BPL ukpa raya kita lagi cipara ikimi terkenta singriu nilai senam favorit terkejat saja halu sopo kasihnya kisah jangan Myntri kan sim kijani yang bikin slide istri kita saya home delivery kita rate employment ukpa raya pun kita claim tuition di pas third tuition claim tuition kita di school beduk nasional kita Indonesia yang kawat bayar laptop kata-kata yang kena meaning yang ya ayo lawan kalau rasa betul thank you so much